In this video, I want to show you how simple it is to use a USB cable and your HP SmartTank 6001 printer. So if you want to connect directly to your computer, could be a Mac or a PC. I'll show you with a PC over here. Instead of using Wi-Fi, you simply need one of these that doesn't come included in the box. I'll put a link in the description if you don't already own one, a link towards Amazon. So take this end and we'll go behind the printer. So this is the back. And if you go on the lower right side, you're going to find the USB port. Simply align it and connect it. Go ahead and connect the USB part in your computer. Yep, it's over here. Good. So both of them are now connected. You don't have to touch these buttons on the printer. You can go directly on your PC, open any documents you want to print. So I'll go here, select any PDF, any JPEG you wish to print. You're going to press the print icon. This will open, and where you see printer, you're going to tap, and your HP SmartTank 6000 series will appear. You do not have to install any drivers. Everything is done automatically, at least on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I don't know the older Windows, but I suppose it's the same. The printer is automatically visible and ready to be used. So simply select it, and you'll have to change a few settings. Here we go. Depending what you want to print, press print, and it will come out. If you want to use the scanner and get the results on your PC, in that case, simply put the paper over here, align it with the top left corner. Okay, both corners needs to be touching. And on your PC, you're going to go over here and type scan. We need to open the scan app. If you don't have this scan app made by Microsoft, go into the Microsoft Store and download it for free. Then here, simply select HP SmartTank 6000. Select if you want to scan a JPEG, PDF, color, the resolution, where do you want the scan to go. Press scan, and this is about it. The scan will go from here directly where you have selected. So thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.